For example, imagine this is your lecture, and then let's generate like what it and can create from this. Choose your study methods, flashcards, multiple choice, written test. So I want to create flashcards, multiple choice, a lesson, and then just let's create it. So right now I'm not upgraded, so I'm doing this for free. Let's see how much credits I need or how, yeah. So here you have 80 questions. We can innovations and mastery, and then you can just proceed from here. So you have flashcards. So this is kind of the idea. Then you also have quiz. And this is the idea, super cool, right? And then you can also have notes, just quick summary of all of these YouTube video. As you can see, instead of just spending time watching it, you can instantly have it. And then there is content, there is like video transcript. Then you can also add like a tutor. I don't know what written, what that is. Fill in the blank. So different types. So yeah, that's kind of how you can just proceed with this app. And as you can see, at least one study set you can do for free, and then just master it. And then you can see whether you're in familiar, learning familiar, or mastered, and then just proceed with this study set. So that's kind of the idea. So definitely check it out. And yeah, so here is the app.